Hi there, Linda Storchuk with RE/MAX Executives Realty in East St. Paul in the town of Birds Hill. We're at this beautiful cedar home at 15 Gorham Street, sitting on a fully treed lot with so much to offer. Let's head on in and have a look. Enter through this large mudroom into this home with all its rustic character and charm. The main floor has a beautiful custom kitchen with shaker-style cabinets, spacious dining area, and you can choose your sitting area. Inside, or head out to your three-season sunroom or screen room. As we head upstairs, we find 3 bedrooms. The other 2 bedrooms are a good size and are next to the large 4-piece bathroom with jetted tub and heated tile floors. The generous sized master runs right across the front of the house and has its own balcony and his and hers closets. There is more space in the basement where you have area for storage or maybe a workout room, your laundry area, and another bathroom. Now let's head out to the amazing yard. The front of the house has a huge deck, or you can head out back to your fully treed and private yard. We have a double oversized garage with plenty of storage in the loft area. Out here on this half-acre lot, the backyard has loads of space for kids and pets to run around. Then, as the sun goes down, gather round and spend some time out by the fire pit.